Hello, this is Lorraine Jamison, and this is my GoReact quiz number 10. So the first problem was to find the Laplace of t cubed e to the 2t using the first translation theorem. So in this, f of t is equal to t cubed, and e to the at is equal to e to the 2t. So that means a is equal to 2, and the Laplace of t cubed is 3 factorial over s to the power of 3 plus 1. So put that together and you get 6 over s minus 2 to the fourth. And then using that, you can solve this following problem. So y double prime minus 4y prime plus 4y is equal to t cubed e to the 2t, where y of 0 is equal to 0 and y prime of 0 is equal to 0. So you take the Laplace of this side, so you get s squared capital Y plus s on y of 0 plus y prime of 0 minus 4 times the quantity of s capital Y minus y of 0 plus 4 capital Y is equal to 6 over s minus 2 to the fourth. And so here it's stated that y of 0 is 0 and 0 is 0, so this term cancels out, this term cancels out, and this term will cancel out. So then you can factor the y's, so y is y times the quantity of s squared minus 4s plus 4 is equal to s over s minus 2 to the fourth. And so this factors to s minus 2 squared, so divide it over and you get y is equal to 6 over s minus 2 to the sixth. So at first I tried factoring to get this, but then I realized that that was an impossible process. And that's when I also realized that this was like a much simpler problem. So in this case, a is equal to 2, and so f of s is equal to 6 over s to the sixth. So you just move that 6 out and you take the inverse Laplace, so 1 over s to the sixth, so that's equal to t to the fifth over 120. And so you just multiply that 6 in and you get the t to the fifth over 20, and then you have to add your e term here because your a is here. So you get e to the 2t, t to the fifth over 20 is equal to y of t. And that's my answer. Thank you.